This guy, who is the president of Windows Plus devices here at Microsoft, makes a post on X. Windows is evolving into an agentic OS, connecting devices, cloud, and AI to unlock intelligent productivity and secure work anywhere. Now, you might be asking, well, before I get into this, you can help me out by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, comment. So what is an agentic OS? An agentic OS moves beyond a traditional operating system. That's because it's not the same as a traditional operating system, which acts as a platform for you to run applications. But an agentic OS, by contrast, is a proactive platform that uses AI agents to complete tasks on your behalf. Great. Just hand over everything to AI. So AI agent, this is an AI system that can understand a goal, create a plan, and execute multiple complex steps autonomously without you. It does not need you to check in on every step. Yes, I heard you. That's scary. You betcha. Core functions. The OS acts as a central coordinator. It gives these AI agents access to your apps, your files, and system features. Now, I don't really see a problem with using AI. If you query at a question, you ask it to create a video, you ask it to create an image or whatever, that's a little different than it being completely autonomous, doing things in the background, and you don't know what it's doing. It could do things that you don't want it to do. And I think you're going to see that happen when people actually trust AI to this extent and hand over all the power to it as AI agents and having it as a core functionality in an operating system. Now, some people, and maybe most people, would have no problem with this, and they're not technically inclined, and they don't really care, and they trust it, and all the rest of it. Fair enough. Fair enough. Maybe you think it's fine, and you would have no problem handing over your data, your information, letting AI do things for you in the background. It is certainly very convenient, but it, rings alarm bells, doesn't it, when it comes to privacy and certainly data collection. Now, if you notice here, there are many mentions here of Copilot, right? And the things that Copilot can do, hands-free interactions, capturing your screen, backup options, and that kind of stuff. And Microsoft's going to tote this as, being safe and secure and all of that. Now, there's no such thing as a perfect operating system, certainly, but the direction I think that Microsoft's going down is absolutely nuts. And they're not listening to their customers. They are just not. I'm sorry. The majority of people don't want a Microsoft account. They don't want all this AI. They don't want pop-ups. They don't want bloatware. They just don't. Now, apparently, this post on X was open for comments, and I believe it's since been closed because it got a lot of negative comments. I mean, you can scroll down through the ones that still remain here, but the sentiment is that people don't want this.